With zero regulation of roofing contractors in Texas, how do you choose an ethical contractor? Nearly any contractor can be listed with the BBB, create a website, get a handful of reviews, and appear legit. Mrs. Fuller had just moved to Texas, had never experienced extreme weather until a recent hailstorm. Mrs. Fuller had an insurance claim and contracted a family friend. She signed an agreement for repairs and assumed the contractor would provide quality workmanship. Unfortunately, she had hidden damage, and because the roofer cut corners shingled over old materials, they never saw the rotted sheets of decking. Within weeks, her roof replacement, Mrs. Fuller had more issues than before due to leaks and water damage from rotten decking. Mrs. Fuller now had to pay more out of pocket for repairs, all because she chose a contractor she thought she could trust. Additional questions to ask when selecting your roofing contractor. Are you a member of the Roofing Contractor Association? Have you been in business for more than a few years? Have you honored your warranties? And do you follow deductible laws, codes, and regulations? High Performance checks all of these boxes and more, and unlike many roofers in the area, we have an office and warehouse in downtown Frisco with a full-time, full-service staff to serve you. Don't take a chance on questionable practices. Experience High Performance. Click the button below to receive your free upgrades that other roofing contractors charge extra for.